Alright everybody, I have a little bit different of a video, and by a little bit, I mean a lot bit. We have extra wheels this time. Instead of 2, we're moving to 4. Got some car stuff for you. So this video is going to be, like I said, a little bit different. We're going to uncover what is under the literal covers, talk about them a little bit, and the future of the channel. So stick around. It has been probably 8 months, 6 months probably, since I've started this car. The last time I drove it, it actually overheated the coil on it, and coil shit the bed along with the points and stuff. There's a lot of just kind of idling around, so I put a temporary set of points on it, and they are not tuned in that well, so this thing runs a little bit rough. I do want to put an electronic ignition on it, but for now, I at least want to try to get this thing started. It probably won't start. Get it moved, get the Corvette down. So I've actually had the engine out of this car a few years back. So it's a 351 Cleveland. Originally this is a 2-barrel or a 2-valve head, so to speak, the 2Bs. But I do have an Edelbrock 4-barrel manifold on it with a Holley carb. So the engine's been completely refreshed. The car it's not 100% original, but it's a good driver. It shows well, it's the right color. I know it's not the most desirable year or anything like that, but it's a cool car. So going to probably tinker with this thing a little bit. Like I said, electronic ignition on it would be cool. Might drive it around a little bit. You guys tell me what you guys want to see. Auto tragic. Nothing fancy. It's not a fast car by any means. But again, look at that thing. It shows well. It's the right color. But it's 6-speed. Got long tubes on it, full exhaust, stainless works. Sounds good. Now this is a 98 Corvette and C5, so like first year of them, LS1, 6-speed, and it is in the amazing blue. And it's just a nice car. I've taken this thing on a couple road trips, did cross country on it, me and Amber. Had a blast. So this is just a fun car. I know convertibles aren't really my thing, but V8s and rear-wheel drive are with 6 speeds. So obviously we have a bunch of motorcycle stuff here, and the channel will always be motorcycle focused, but what do you guys think of some car content? Push back on it or go for it? Because there's not only this vehicle and the Corvette, there are also more cars that I've never shown. So yeah, with the changing going on in my life, there are going to be vehicles involved with my day-to-day that I have to do something with. So what would you guys think? I know for the longest time I have been wanting to do a car build. I have one in mind, but I have plenty of vehicles I could play around with until then, along with, of course, all of the motorcycles. So there's not going to be any change there. But all the change in my life, as I've mentioned, we are going to be getting into a different workspace, and then that is going to allow me to have everything under one single roof, which has been a goal for a long time. But this car I do want to sell, So I'm probably just going to go ahead and throw an ignition system on it and get that thing just kind of tip-top where it needs to be, and then it will be available. So there's that thing, and then the Corvette I will also be planning on selling. I'm not going to be in a big hurry on that one because it's a good vehicle to just cruise and enjoy. So yeah, going to be a lot of changes, but let me know in the comments kind of what you guys would like to see. More detail on that, less detail on stuff. You know, just give me your opinion on it. I know it can be a divisive thing, but you know, it is what it is. It's going to be involved in my life, so I'm going to end up showing it, but it would be nice to know what to expect from you guys. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I got the cars kind of flipped around on the lift. I do plan to drive the Vet a little bit more now that I actually have insurance on it and stuff like that. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on introducing a little bit of car content to the channel. I know I will put some up inevitably just because I would like to show some of the stuff on here. But yeah, the core will always be motorcycles. That is what this channel is built around. So definitely expect that to still be the goal. But anyway, hope you guys liked this short little video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.